Hey, Dana here, and I'm on my vlog, and this is my life at 60. This is a continuation of having the Moderna vaccine shot taken, and this is 36 hours after having it. I feel fine. I've got no problem. Still, you can still feel a little bit of pain in your shoulder, but I haven't had any major. Well, I haven't had anything other than, within that first say 12 hours. So as far as I'm concerned, I'm gonna just go ahead and shut this one down for right now. I feel fine. Again, I haven't had any issues. I keep the paper here. And I've been filling out the back, but that's basically where I'm at right now. We'll wait. I gotta wait a month. 2nd of April. I'm gonna go back for the second one. That's the one where they say you're probably gonna get your butt kicked. So it's hard to say. Right now it says people with the COVID-19 have had a wide range of symptoms reported, ranging from mild symptoms to severe illnesses. Symptoms may appear 2 to 14 days after exposure to the virus. So that's the actual virus itself. So symptoms may include fever, chills, cough, shortness of breath, fatigue, muscles and body aches, headaches, new loss of taste, smell, sore throat, congestion, runny nose, nausea, or vomiting and diarrhea. All I can say is it's totally up to you. Pfizer has their version of the vaccine. My folks had that taken. I still haven't had a chance to communicate with them since they've had theirs, other than the fact that they let me know that they had it. So and they're in their 80s. Okay, so I'm gonna close this up, and we'll be back with you around the 2nd of April after I have the second one, and then we'll go further on that. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share, and we'll catch you again on my life at 60. Hey, Dana here, and we're on my vlog, and this is my life after 60, or 60. Keeping you up to date on the COVID-19 vaccine shots. It's been 16 days since I had the first shot, and counting down 13 days before I have the second shot. I gotta say, within 36 to 48 hours, you won't even realize that you had the shot. But then again, keep in mind you may be completely different. And from what I understand, they only give you a partial for the Moderna. This is I'm getting the Moderna strain of vaccination. For me, I had no problem. I have no real allergies other than pine needles. But after about 36 hours, even the pain in your shoulder will go away for the first shot. We'll see what happens on the second one, because from what I understand, if you have a 2-shot series, they only give you a partial in that partial vaccine in that series. So your second one's going to be a kicker, because they're going to give you a full dose this time, from what I understand. Now, from what I understand, the Pfizer dual. They're getting 2 shots. Johnson and Johnson, I think, is a single dose. But as far as I know, you got the two different vaccines there that have two series of shots, and then there's one that only has a single shot. So I don't know. For all I know, they're giving you a partial. They give you a partial shot, and then they give you a second partial shot, which makes a one-shot deal. But from what I'm hearing, that second shot is a bad one. So that's why I'm assuming, and that's what I'm hearing, is that the first one was only a partial just to see how your body reacts to it. And then the second one, they feel they can give you a full dose. So you're going to get a dose and a half out of that. So, all right, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share, especially if you're having the Moderna or even the other two other brands there. Pfizer's got one, I think, and Johnson & Johnson. So we'll find out down the road here, and you're definitely going to hear from me after I have my full dose shot. So, all right. So, thanks again, and we'll catch you on the next Dana Crosby's Vlogs, My Life at 60.